Hello everyone, my name is Nordin, I'm from Fish On, and this is our introduction video. I recommend you to bring these things for your kayak fishing trip. This is what I recommend you to wear for your kayak fishing trip. Cap, buff, glass, glove, long sleeve shirt, long pants and socks. This will be provided for your kayak fishing trip. A 12-feet kayak, leg paddle with fin, front rod holder, stringer, life vest, walkie-talkie, live bait well for your live prawn, fish landing net, ice box with ice. Once ready, you can bring the kayak down the beach. This is how we launch the kayak. First, ensure the kayak is near to the water edge. Next, prepare your fishing rod with the rig and place it in the front rod holder. Next, put the live prawn into the live bait well. Once ready, you can pull the kayak into the water. Before you launch, put on your life vest. Ensure all the straps are loosened first. Put on one side, put on the other side. Zip up the life vest. Bring down the kayak. Kayak face forward. Make sure that the water level is above your knee level. Bring down the bait box. Take out the kayak wheel. Put it to the back. Bring down the rudder. Check the rudder. Make sure it goes down. You are ready to go up the kayak. Kayak 45 degrees face forward. Water above knee level. Bring the chair next to you. The back against the kayak. Sit onto the chair immediately. Ready to board the kayak. Pick up your bait box immediately and put it to the back. Remove your hand paddle and paddle out to a deeper water. Once you are in the deeper water, you are ready to put down the drive. This is the front. Put it down straight down. Lock it in place by pushing it away from you forward. Lock in place. If your leg accidentally touch on the locking mechanism, it will be loosened. So physically check, push it away from you forward to make sure it's locked. To unlock, pull it back towards you and pull out the drive. Whenever you want to start pedaling from a stop, pedal a bit first, then pedal normally. Whenever you feel any resistance to the fin, pedal a bit first again, then pedal normally. We pedal a bit first is to ensure that the fin is not in the locking position. The rudder control, turn right to turn right, turn left to turn left. Once you are in the water, pedal towards the blue barrel. Slow down. Face the beach. Face the beach. Remove your pedal drive. Take out the hand pedal. Go back to the beach. Once at the beach, 2 legs on the ground. Stand up. Pull up the rudder. Pull the rope against the groove. Check the rudder. Make sure it goes up. Push the kayak to deeper water. Make sure the water level is above your knee. Take out the wheel. Put inside underneath the kayak. Pull the kayak towards the beach. Bring up to the beach. Remove the life vest. And take your belongings. Please bag up your rubbish. Please make sure you remove the dead prawn from your bed box as well. Please clear the rubbish. Do not forget about your personal belongings, your fishing rod and your fishing tackle. Hope that you have a wonderful kayak fishing experience. Please take good care of the kayak so that everyone can have the same wonderful kayak fishing experience as you. Please do follow me in all my social media in YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.